Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character da or da step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then follow in one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. This is a polyphone. It can be pronounced as da or da according to different contexts. Da means to beat, to make. From as da means dozen. For example, 打开 打开 to open, to turn on. Please turn on the radio. Please turn on the radio.请把收音机打开。请把收音机打开。Turn on the radio. 请把收音机 radio 打开 turn on. Please turn on the radio. 请把收音机打开。打 in cursive. 打 to beat, to make. From 打 dozen. 打开 to open, to turn on. Please turn on the radio. 请把收音机打开。打 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 打. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.